Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony! Today, we're gonna break our own geodes and learn all about rocks! I'm so excited! From the outside, geodes resemble regular rocks, but when you break them open, you reveal a layer of crystals. Cool, right? All right, I have it all set up. We have 3 geode rocks. They totally look like regular rocks, right?
Yes!
1, 2, 3. I also have a magnifying glass, some goggles for safety, and a hammer. Make sure if you try this at home that you have a parent help you. First things first, safety. Fun fact, Crystal Cave is the largest known crystal cave in the whole wide world. It's a celestine geode 35 feet in diameter at its broadest point. It's located near the village of Put-in-Bay, Ohio. Should we get into breaking some geodes?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Should we get into breaking some geodes?
Yes!
Awesome! I'm so excited. I'm gonna use the hammer and sock method. To do this, you put the geode inside the sock. And then you start to hammer. All right, guys, I think we cracked my geode. Before the great reveal, get this. There are 8 types of geodes found on Earth. Ready? Agate, amethyst, calcite, quartz, pyrite, fluorescent, druzy quartz, and scepter quartz.
Wow!
Are you ready to see the geode?
Yes!
Wow! So cool! I love it! Geodes form in nature over thousands of years. Sometimes when water flows through rocks, other times when gas bubbles up through molten lava from volcanoes. Can you believe that makes this? Earth is cool. Wow, I had so much fun today, and I learned so much. You should try this at home too. But remember to have a parent supervision. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.